Jackie blended something for me. I had to wear my blindfold, and she blended something, and I'm not gonna drink it, but she's expecting me to. There it is. It's like gross looking.
I'm not gonna make her drink it, but I'll tell you what was in it.
No, don't yet. I'm gonna try to drink it actually.
Okay.
Film me!
Near the sink.
Definitely, we learned that one on you.
Yeah, no, I love her. It's just funny.
You made me cute. There's full gummy worms in there.
Yeah, that's what the drink. Take those out.
You get them. You put them in.
The ingredients were gummy worms, Mountain Dew, vanilla extra,
Let's come back up.
black peppers, and Parmesan. Amber, don't call and yell at me. Okay.
That was nasty.
You can yell at me. Yeah, you can yell at me.
That was gross.
I'm sorry.
That was just nasty.
Is this milk fresh? Hey, Con, is that milk fresh?
Check the date.
It's 5/4/10.
January, February, March, April.
It's not 5 yet. What's up, the gummy worms?
You get them. You
You
put
get
them
it.
in there.
You're a cheat.
You just eat.
Nasty.
What you just did should be considered kind of 58 countries.
Give me a paper towel.
Now I need an actual gummy
I
worm.
don't think I'm going over for a while. Oh, okay. I always break something. This time I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make Connor something sweet.
That was like bitter and nasty.
I love her.
No, you don't. You're making me puke.
I didn't mean to. You don't want to drink it.
Hey, I did that for science. Just don't put rum in it. Okay, look, girl, I'm too young. Just don't get off the camera this time. I gotta put my blindfold back on, don't I?
Yes.
I feel like Pinky when I do this, and I don't know where I'm going. Oh.
Where's the
fasten it this time?
Where's the sugar?
I don't know, fasten my blindfold this time.
Hold up.
You could taste it with us. That was nice.
Okay. Even this time, you won't see it.
I can't believe it. That made me puke. I didn't know you could do something so deadly.
Yes.
Then again, you are evil. You are the daughter of Satan.
How you were.
Satan!
There's my daddy, Timothy E. Let's see.
Better. It's like sipping. What the fuck? Is your whole thing to do it? Oh yeah, that was so special. in a row! Where's your chicken now? Because fish ain't coming back up shore for a while, hopefully. I said hopefully. We can only hope. Yeah, the refrigerator and nothing. And just that board. That's why I'm pushing it up to make sure it doesn't fall. There it goes. Okay, not anymore. I'm staying by the fridge so I don't wander aimlessly wander. Who's Anna? You said Anna. Who's Anna?
I was making noise.
Is Anna helping you in this video?
No.
She's a B word.
When isn't Anna?
Anna, whoever you are, I'm gonna hurt you. Is it ready yet?
You. Wait.
Ready now? I gotta pee. Now.
Now it's ready.
Can I say this off now? Can I? Can I take this off?
Sure. Yeah, these like ice cream, but I can't trust you.
I've learned well.
I'm scared.
Everybody watch me drink this might be deadly concoction. I can't trust even the smell.
You love it. Wanna know what's in it?
Sure.
Milk, vanilla extra, I believe chocolate chip cookies and Oreos. And that's it.
Any more in here?
Should know, shouldn't it? Well, that's the end of our little experiment because Connor's too busy drinking it all.
Anybody want to try it?
Sounds
gross.
It looks gross, but it's tasty.